Here we are at Kelowna Microtel. I think it's a hotel. Microtel 215, where we stay this time. Let's see. Yeah. My wife is doing sanitizing the room. This is what we do during pandemic. Door lock is like this. Chung, chung. So you can stop the door like the other one, but you can stop it from open completely. It's like small gap open. So let's see what's inside. Right side, we got a washroom. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, look at that. No swimming in the tub. Just kidding. Got soap, shampoo, conditioner. What's this? Shower cap. Oh, I thought it's a tampon. And makeup remover. So, and we have like, ventilation timer, and me, mask, always mask. Touch screen is being sanitized. Ooh, touch screen light. Okay. So I got dryer, towels, bathroom. Ooh, very big. This place is huge. We got like handicap holding or old people like me. Handheld. Wow, shower. Any other light? That's all the light we got. The basic. This is a 2 queen size bed, right, Darcy? 2 queen size bed. Yeah. And on the right side, we have. This is where we can wash our hand while someone's in the washroom. That's nice. So we don't have to fight for it. Ice bucket. Yes, plastic wrap cups. Very nice. Ooh. And the microwave. Mini microwave, good enough. So it's good for staying more than one night. Like sometimes we can reheat the food, or we don't want to eat out every day. Keurig coffee machine in the center, looks good that way. And free coffee right there. Any light? Oh, I hate it when there's no light. And 2 levels refrigerator. Let's see, I'm left-handed. Ta-da! Ooh, there's ice in there. Ice maker. Okay. Nope, we're not gonna use it, but at least it works. Cold. Ooh, iron hangers. Basic iron board. Nice. Another big mirror. Woo! Big TV. Oh, there's a place to sit next to the window. Nice. That's pretty cool. Relaxing stuff. That's the AC, or probably heater also. And next to the bed, got 2 lights. Can we turn on both lights? Yeah. Telephone. Oh, nice. I like it. Extra plugs and USB. This is the modern day stuff. I love it. This is great. That's what I like in the hotel. Adapt, improve to our current 2020 needs. Yeah, that's it. Beautiful place. Big. Love to stay here. Assuming it's very clean. Small plug there. Yeah, a lot of hotels, they don't even have a plug, or if they have, just enough plug so that it's used for like their own stuff, like a lamp or a telephone, so that you don't have anything to plug in. Alright, there. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.